Hello and welcome to iMac 2.0. In this video we're just going to give you a little guide on how we're going to use this wiring legend to wire up to the components on our trainer. So what you see me highlighting right here is some labels and terminal block numbers for each terminal block on the top. Down here is highlighting the same terminal blocks and their numbers, but it's just showing us the bottom side. So when we read this, it's what we're trying to say is TB1 stands for terminal block number 1, so it's the furthest one on the left, and then it says -1. If we see a -1, that means we're tying into the top side of our terminal block. What we mean by that is if we're on TB1-1, that means we would be on this very far left black terminal block and we'd be tying into the top side right here. If it said TB1-2, we would be on the same terminal block but on the bottom screw terminal. So if we were going to tie into the clear light module, so the selector switch but the light module, not the actual switch. This is just showing me a symbol right here of the clear light. It has one wire hooked up right here and another wire hooked up right here. So if we were looking at this, what we're trying to tell you is you need to tie one wire into TB9-1. Okay. So what that means is we would have to count over to the 9th terminal block, starting with the very first one on the left, count over to 9 terminal blocks, and we would tie a wire in there. And we would take the other side of this wire and we would hook it up to the clear light on the X1 terminal. Then if we look at the other side of the clear light, we would take a wire and we would wire it up to TB10-1, so it would be the top side of terminal block 10, and the other side of that same wire would tie into the clear light module X2 terminal. So just like we stated in previous videos, we have a couple components on each one of the switches. So if we're talking about the light module, this is the light module right here. And if we look at the back side, we have an X1 and an X2. So the X2 screw terminal would be right here. The X1 screw terminal would be right there.